Hey guys, the Real Estate Pete here, coming at you from 113 Greglawn Drive in Clifton, New Jersey. If you're not familiar with this street, it's as close to a dead-end street as you can get. It basically wraps around and there's one way in, one way out, so you don't have a lot of through traffic. Behind me, you've got an updated split level with 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. You've got a basement, you've got an attached 2-car garage with access, which is great, especially for those cold mornings. But you know what? Instead of me telling you about it, let's check it out. Hey guys, well I hope you're enjoying the tour so far. I just wanted to take a minute to highlight my favorite part of this house. And I think I have 2 favorite parts in this house. So first off, we've got the unfinished basement, which is great because if you ever want to run plumbing or electric, you can get right up there. And as you can see, they've got the workout stuff, they've got the bike here, and I'm a big Peloton guy, I love my bike. But in this house, you've actually got room for 2 bikes. Now, what do I mean by that? So, boom, your full 2-car garage. You've got room for 2 bikes. You've got a bike for work and a bike for play. You've got room for your snowblower, all your tools. This is just, I think if I lived here, I'd never leave this wing of the house. So enjoy the rest of the tour. I'll talk to you soon. All right, guys, well, that does it for me here. And now that we've finished everything here, I think I'm just going to hang out in this nice shaded backyard and enjoy the rest of the day. If you have any questions on this property, feel free to give me a call, and I'll talk to you soon.